Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. My name's Nic Clark from Jenic Property, and today we just picked up the keys on this buy-to-let, 2-bedroom mid-terrace property, great street. We actually have a client who owns a property right at the end of the street that we've just finished refurbing, and it's fully let as well, which is great. So we've got a good comparable of sold comparables, and we also good rental comparables as well. This is for a client in London, so let's jump straight into this property and have a look what's inside and what we're actually going to do to it. Let's jump inside. Okay, so we're in the front room right now. So property, it's good condition. It needs a massive decoration. Decoration is needed throughout the whole property. It's just tired, it's old, it's dated. Now what we are going to be doing is we're going to be keeping all these doors. These are solid oak doors, really good quality as well. What we will be doing is changing all the door handles. So we'll go chrome on those door handles, so all brand new as well. But it is needing a full rewire this property. So the property is out of date with regards to the wiring. The consumer unit is out of date as well, so that's going to get full rewire from there, and then obviously we'll decorate and fill in the holes, etc., where it's gone from there. Biggest thing in here is we've got over here, so underneath the stairs, it's absolutely minging in here. When we buy properties, normally we look for this type of smell. This is exactly it. You can smell the money in the deal, which is great. So that's the kind of phrase that we use quite a lot. Again, you can see the wiring over here. It's just not really good. You've got makeshift wiring down here to get stuff in there. It's just unsafe. So we need to just get this property stripped out, get it rewired, get it decorated. But underneath here as well, these shelves have got to go. Yes, it's not going to be seen, but you can't really rent out a property like this. It's got to get repainted in here, redecorated, new carpet in here as well, which is good. But again, doors are really solid. Let's go check out the kitchen. Okay, so we're in the rear of the property now. There's a bit of sign of damp down here, just slightly, but it looks like it's been sorted. The damp meter hasn't brought anything up. It does look like it was an issue previously before, so not really concerned about it. We'll investigate, see if there's anything that need issues there. There's nothing from a water penetration internally, sorry, from the external in, so that's all right, which is good. But other than that, again, you can see the makeshift wiring. They basically drilled through the hole here, put an extension cable through. It's not safe. I can't leave that for a rental. So it's got to just literally come out. Again, rewire in here. Let's jump in the kitchen, have a look what's going on there. Okay, so we're in the kitchen. Now, I must say, it's actually really good quality. The previous owners were absolutely fantastic. Really nice dealing with them, very easy to deal with. We had to delay the completion a bit because their mortgage was held up for the next place. So they're actually going into a bungalow. They couldn't deal with the stairs anymore. Amazing couple. They really looked after the place. Yes, it's dated on the decoration, etc. But in the kitchen cabinets, absolutely solid. We're going to be keeping exactly the kitchen, exactly how it is. The only thing that's got to change, all the sealants everywhere needs to change. It's got a kind of yellow color. But that's the only thing to see that shows like the signs of like a really old kitchen. But apart from that, the units are actually really good solid units. We're going to be keeping them, keeping the tile in. Even this color mural over here looks good. I'm happy with it. So let's jump into the bathroom, have a look, see what we're going to do in there. Okay, so we're in the bathroom. This shower, we're actually going to get rid of it. We're going to put a bath with a shower over it. And we're gonna, obviously if we're gonna put a bath here, we need to get rid of this cabinet. So we've got the basin over here. We'll rejig this whole bathroom around. We'll just make it work a little better with the flow. It is quite a small bathroom, but to be fair, on a terrace house, at the back end of the properties are generally this sort of size anyway for the bathrooms. So basically get rid of the shower, bath over here, probably put the basin over there, and then a shower over the bath with a shower screen as well, and put a door on there because we've got some slidey old-fashioned thing that needs to get rid of. Let's jump upstairs and see exactly what's happening up there. Needs to get some more cardio up. Okay, so a bit winded from that. So we're in the back bedroom. All the wallpaper needs stripping in here. We'll be redecorating in here as well. There's a lot of kids stickers that need to come off the actual cupboard. Those will be stripped off, and then obviously we'll redecorate as well. We've got the boiler just behind in the actual cupboard over here. Other than that, the whole property is double glazed. We are going to have to replace some of the roof tiles, which I'll show you there, just because some of them are a bit damaged. So best do it now so we don't have any issues, future issues down the line, which is good. New carpets in here. There's gonna be new carpets on the stairs, new carpets in the other bedroom as well. Let's go dive into the master bedroom, which is the front one. Bit of an issue there. I'll show you that then. Okay, so we're in the master bedroom. Now, the owners were meant to leave the property unfurnished, but they've left some of their furniture. This is actually really good quality furniture, what they have got in here. So we're gonna see if we can give it away to a charity and they can come and collect it. The bed's still in good condition as well, so we're gonna just see if a charity can actually take it. Otherwise, we're just gonna have to tip it. Simple as that, it's gotta go. But unfortunately, this is the problem where you need to make sure that you check that the properties are unfurnished, because this could cost a couple £100 to get rid of. But because the furniture is actually quite modern, we can get a charity in, they'll come and take it away. All we do is we just disassemble it nice and easily, and it'll be an easy job done. But if it's old furniture, like really old furniture, charities won't even look at it, so we've got to skip it, or we've got to find some other way to dispose it as well. Okay, so apart from moving the furniture out here, we've got to get new carpets, got to fully decorate in here, sort out this. Obviously there was a TV on the wall previously before. That's got to be sorted out properly, so that'll be part of the decoration. You won't even know it's there once it's done, which is great. But thanks very much for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that. Hit that thumbs up if you liked our video and liking our content. I'd love to hear from you as well. What sort of content are you wanting to find out about property? Like what we're doing. We've got so many refurbs going on where we can share so much to you guys and add so much value to you as well. So you can understand how to actually buy UK property over here. Comment down below, I'd love to hear that. Otherwise, head to jenicproperty.com where you can book in a free call with one of our team, and we can actually start looking to see how we can help you to replace your income, redefine your retirement one property at a time. Yes, one property at a time. We're able to help you do that, and you don't actually have to have any time involvement with it, okay? And we can help you profit from UK property with minimum time involvement. Head to jenicproperty.com. You can book in a free call now. Go do it now. There are limited spaces available. Otherwise, head to Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, and you can follow myself at Property with Nic Clark. That's Property with Nic Clark, and I'd love to help you guys move forward on your property journey in 2021. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on next week's Refurb Wednesdays.